Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you rename a workspace in your Typeform account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to rename a workspace in your Typeform account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, like maybe an agency, and you work with a lot of different customers or industries, arranging your workspaces can keep it much more organized and easy to access. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and rename one of your workspaces, first you're going to click on Forms here on the top. You see these three options. Once you click on Form, you're going to see all of your workspaces down here. You can see I have two. Now, in order to rename one of these workspaces, go ahead and choose the name of the workspace you want to change. So for example, Chinese restaurant. Once you do that, you're going to see the name of the workspace up here. And in order to change the name, click on these three dots and click on rename. Okay, so now you can go ahead and name the workspace. So we'll just change it to Good Chinese Restaurant and then save. Okay, now you can see the name of the workspace is now changed to Good Chinese Restaurant. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to rename one of your workspaces in Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.